Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is Be the Change, where being the change is possible, man. Today I'm going to talk to y'all about friends and how to figure out who your real friends are. By the end of this video, you should know who your real friends are, and it should open your eyes. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before we get started. Okay, friends, man. Everybody has them, like the song says. But is your friends really your friends, man? Is they using you? Is they fake? All right, let's find out, man. Okay, me and my homeboy, we was talking about this same thing the other day, man. We talking about like how fake people be, and like, you know, even your family will be fake too. But I'm talking about friends, so we're gonna talk about that. Your friends, the fake friends, they will act a certain way, and you should know that. Man, we in 2018, man. You should figure out who your real friends from your fake friends, man. You know, they come in disguise too, man. The fake friends might give you everything that you ask for. But once you tell them no, or once you feel like, you know, you have feel disrespected or something like that, man, that's when the fakeness is gonna come out. That's when the bullshit really gonna come out. Just tell them no one time. I experienced this, so I could understand, and I could provide information about this, man. I told one of my partners, me and him was cool about 5 years, man. I told him no one time, and that was it for our relationship, man. He started acting funny. He started hanging out with other people, and we just stopped talking. I haven't heard from him since, so I understand the power of no. I should title this video "The Power of No," but I'm gonna title it something else. But I'm gonna give y'all 3 tips to, you know, figure out who your real friends are, man. All right, the number 1 tip is ask them for something. Ask them for some money. Ask them for a ride. Ask them for a handout. Ask them for anything, man. Don't make it like I need $500, nothing like that. Just ask them for like $10, $15, $20. Ask them something like that. And for a ride, ask them, can you take them like to like a hospital or somewhere you gotta go, like very, very important, and see what they say. Okay, the real friend gonna be like, yeah, bro, you know, I got you, man, whatever. But, you know, if your real friend can't do it, they be like, nah, man, I can't even do it right now, man. I gotta do something. They gonna let you know, and then, you know, they gonna provide evidence that they telling you the truth. The fake friend gonna be like, I would, man, but I gotta do something, man, whatever. And then you see them on Snapchat not doing shit. You see them motherfuckers just chilling in the house, not doing a damn thing, man. And then that's why I really call fake, man. Like, you could ask them for $20. Like, hey, man, I'm down bad right now. I just need $20. $20. See what they say, man. If they say, the real friend gonna be like, okay, bro, I got you. If they don't have it, they gonna be like, well, I can't even do it right now, man. But when I get paid, I got you. And then they got you. You know, they gonna pay you with the $20. The fake friend gonna be like, nah, bro, I don't even got it. I don't even got it on me, man, for real. But you see them on Snapchat, throwing money at the strippers, doing all types of shit with their money, man. I'm not saying to count their pockets. I'm definitely not saying that. But just watch how they, you know, how they respond when you ask them for something, man. That would tip number 1. Remember that. All right. Number 2 is see if they support your business. Okay, you can start up a business like doing a clothing line, do YouTube, do anything, man. You could just start up a business and see who the real people, like, see who gonna really support you, who really gonna be down for you. Cause you got some fake motherfuckers that, you know, they want to see you do good, but not better than them, and that's true. You gonna hear that a lot, especially in life, man. They want to see you do good, but not better than them. Okay, you could just ask them, like, you know, you tell them like, hey, man, can you share my business on Facebook? You know, I need some notoriety. I need some people to look at my stuff, look at my business, see what they talking about. And the real friend gonna be like, okay, cool. And you gonna see them post on Facebook, post them on Twitter, Instagram, or whatever, on Snapchat. The fake friend gonna be like, man, I would, bro, but I don't know if this business right for you, man. You should work at McDonald's with me. You know, I'm getting paid like $7.25 an hour, man. You should do this with me. You like, man, hell no, man. That's how you can separate the real from the fake, especially when you start up a business. I'm telling y'all, once I started doing the YouTube thing, man, I really figured out who my real friends are, and I separate the real from the fake. You know, definitely when you start a business, that it gonna come to a point that you gotta do that, man. You gotta, you know, step outside your comfort zone, especially with friends, and just, you know, get some new friends and get some people that really gonna support you. So that was number 2, man. See if they support your business. Okay. Number 3, I mean, you could take it or leave it, but this really, I mean, I feel this way every time I get around new people. But number 3 is get around a new crowd that you don't know or he don't know, and see if they act different. Okay. This really gonna separate the real from the fake, man. This really gonna tell you, man. This is the most important one. The real friend, they gonna stay true to themselves. They always gonna be truthful. They ain't never gonna switch up. They ain't gonna act a certain way around people or none of that. The fake people gonna act like they been new to friends. They been new to people that you don't know for a long time or whatever. Like they probably do, but they start acting different towards you. Like they start saying mean stuff towards you. They start, calling you names in front of people you don't know. Like my homeboy, he was telling me like he had a friend and he would call him stupid in front of people that he didn't know. He was like, what the fuck? Like that's kind of crazy, man. I don't like that, man. I don't like no fakeness around me. I don't like none of that. It's 2018, man. We gotta get right, man, with our friends, with our family members too. Don't count them out, man. They could be blood, but they still gonna be fake with you. So get around a new crowd that you don't know or he don't know, or if it's for women, she don't know, and see if they act different. And you could be the fake friend too, man. You might start acting different in front of your friend. And then you might start calling him or her names or whatever. See, you might be the fake friend too. So this goes for you or the person that you feel like they fake towards you, man. Separate the real from the fake. If you've been acting fake also, get a self check, man. You got to check yourself, man. Don't be acting fake. Act real. Be yourself. Don't never change for nobody. You don't have to be nobody else so people can respect you. Be yourself. If people don't respect that, then fuck them. That's it, bro. Like, you shouldn't tell nobody to, hey, man, can you respect me, man? Can you be my friend? All this bullshit, man. You shouldn't do none of that stuff, man. Be yourself and the real people gonna come to you. The fake people gonna act like they gonna come to you now. The fake people gonna come to you. They gonna come to you and goddamn, they gonna act different, man. Trust me. You gotta separate the real from the fake. So that's my message for today, man. I got plenty more videos like this, and I'm gonna tag them in the description. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I'm out. Y'all have a blessed day. Love y'all. Peace.